Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this really special part here. This is the U-L-I-K-E-Y Past Doctor costume. It's a Black Doctor costume for men. A Black Doctor costume for cosplay. It's a complete set. It's a doctor costume for the Middle Ages Past Doctor outfit with Past Doctor masks, scavenger head, clothes, accessories for carnival and for cosplay. The Past Doctor costume contains everything we need for a medieval Black Doctor role-playing game. A Past Doctor mask, a leather hooded cap, a leather bowler hat, a black priest robe, a cross chain, a leather belt, a leather gloves, and a bird's beak stick. A black robe with the big mask and stick is a status symbol. That black costume is mysterious and lonely. Wait a second, you're a Black Doctor as well. And you look really cool. The Past Doctor mask is made of soft leather, durable, lightweight and breathable, with a good fit that will not be uncomfortable to wear for a long time. The mask comes with an adjustable headband, so we can adjust it to our head circumferences. In addition, our mask is equipped with 7 ventilation holes on each side, so that we can breathe easily and our vision is not obstructed. We can see the field of vision through the lenses in the front. And we have a leather hooded scarf and a black robe. Because the leather hooded scarf is made of soft fox leather, the leather hooded scarf is so large that it can wrap around the entire head, with the shoulders standing up to restore the image of the Black Doctor. The black robe is made of soft, flexible material and is very comfortable to wear. The one-piece design of the robe is in combination with a leather hooded scarf offers a protection for the entire wearer. And we have a leather belt, gloves, bowler hat, and bird's beak stick accessories. Because the Past Doctor cosplay a leather belt set in this set is long enough to fit different sizes. And the small pattern on the belt matches the character design even better. The leather bowler hat is well made and stylish and delicate. It can be worn readily as a fashion item. Also, the gloves are very soft, and the bird's beak stick is cool. A must-have for the role of the Black Doctor. And it's a carnival Black Doctor costume and the cosplay set. If we want to play the role of the Black Doctor for Halloween, Carnival, or any other custom party, then this kit is full complete for that. The size around the market is available in 4 sizes: medium, large, extra large. Like shown here in that video, extra large is also on the market. The XL version is for that person which is 180 centimeter large and 110 kilogram of weight. We can choose according to the size chart before we offer. We can look that it should be matches. The Past Doctor is out there, and it makes a good job with that costume. That's really cool and easy and a good thing to see what's going on at the medieval time. This is the U-Like-E Past Doctor costume. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.
Okay.